guys are about to witness unbelievable success and unbelievable greatness. You guys...
I just wanted to show you guys my body.
You guys...
Because it's happening.
You guys are in the presence of greatness. Keep watching. It's gonna be a hell of a ride. Woo!
You guys, the level of busy that I feel I have been on. Good busy, but like it's almost a little much. But welcome back to the channel. I know I have been MIA. It was my birthday the beginning of April. I did have a lot of fun. I am hoping to have posted a vlog style video before because I have filmed a little bit throughout. Still worked out. Still ate reasonably okay. But now we're back. So I have a completely new workout routine, workout split. I'm really excited about it. I think that this is going to be much more heavier lifting days. I'm incorporating 3 glute and hamstring days. Well, 3 leg days. And the rest of the days will be upper body. I'm also dedicating a full day to yoga, stress relief, meditation, stretching, that good stuff. So I'll keep you posted on that. Right now, I just got back from the gym. Just had a protein shake. Now I'm going to take my ombre pills, and that's what I got going on right now. So I will keep you posted this week of my new workout split, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys so much for returning back to my channel. Let's do this. All right, so we are back in the gym. So here is the start of my week. I am starting off with legs. So I did some stretching. You know, I always do my rolling in the beginning, and I'm just going to get started on some RDLs. Now I'm doing 2-leg RDLs. This isn't new to me, but I am trying to start building my weights. So right now I have 2 20-pound weights, so that's a 40-pound total. And I know this angle is really not flattering, but I'm just being completely honest with you guys. This isn't about me trying to look good. I really want to help anyone out there that is just trying to kind of find a flow in the gym. These are good workouts that are going to be able to help you tone, define, grow your glutes, minimize your stomach region. A lot of the workouts that I'm doing this video will show you how I get that done, or at least how I'm trying to get that done on my journey. So I'm speeding it up just a little bit, but at first I wanted to go slowly so you can just see how I actually do these. Toes are pointed straight. I am having a slight bend in my knees, and I'm essentially pushing my butt backwards. I'm not dropping my back down. So if that's helpful, that is how I do this technique. You will start to feel it in your hamstrings a little bit more, but it will go up to your glutes. So I'm doing 3 sets of 12 to 15 of these, and I'm really monitoring my weight. So this week I just started off with the 40 pounds. Next week I'll go up to 50 pounds, and we will just see how I do from there. So this is me doing, I believe, my 3rd set now, and hinging back again. I'm keeping my head very level. I'm not trying to look down or up or left or right. I am just straight forward. I'm thrusting my hips forward when I come up, and that's my first workout of the day. Well, this is just another angle. After I do the first 3 sets with a little bit of a hinge in my knees, I am now straight leg. So I'm not locking in my knees, but my legs are more straight than the first you know what I mean, than the first workout set. So I am here doing the same exact workout, just with my legs straighter. So I'll give you guys this moment to just enjoy this series of clips. I'm doing, again, 3 sets of about 10 to 15. Okay, so now I'm in another part of the gym. I grabbed 2 kettlebells. Typically with my legs, I want to start adding kettlebells. They just seem to be heavier than actual dumbbells to me. So I'm doing some lunges all on one side and then the other. And then I'm going to do another set where I just alternate my legs all together. So these are, I want to say, the same weight, 40 pounds. So 20 on each side. And these were heavy. They don't look that big, but they're heavy. So again, trying to just isolate each leg. My left leg is less dominant, so I tried to do maybe 1 or 2 more reps on my left leg just to even myself out. And now, as you can see here, I'm alternating these leg lunges and I'm holding one dumbbell upward. This, I notice, also kind of gives me a little bit of burn in my abs. So there is that. And then I'm going to essentially do the same thing, but forward lunges. And I know this angle is so weird, but I had no idea how I was going to film this. And also, never mind my 2 braids that are sticking out. This hair is about to get done ASAP. So I just did 3 sets of that. Now here I am about to try to do hip thrusts. Now my machine, my Smith machine, is always being used by the time it's time for me to do these hip thrusts. So I'm just trying to be creative with how else I can do them. So I am using a soft box for 12 inches. I have my shoulders more so on the box and my ankles are closer to my glutes. And I have a disc weight that I have over my thighs and I'm just trying to push them up and squat. Now that wasn't heavy enough for me, so I just added a 10-pound disc weight on top of that. And this is how I've been doing hip thrusts, or at least how I did them on this particular day. You will feel it in your glutes, but you have to hold the disc so that it's not like hitting your ovaries. And this wore me out. This was a little burn. So I did about 20 of these, and that's how I did those hip thrusts. Coming over to a new machine, I am going ahead and buckling up the link to my ankle straps, and these ankle straps were worth every penny. I'm gonna leave the link below of where I got them. They're so cute. They come in different colors, and I just don't know how I was going to the gym without them before. So right now I'm using 10 pounds on this rack, and I am just doing side kicks. Now I'm not gonna lie, this is heavy. I'm going back and doing 5 pounds now and working my way up, but this is going to be a superset. So it starts with my side kicks and then I'm doing my actual kickbacks. This is amazing for that booty, okay? This burns. And I try to keep my resting leg with a little bit of a bend and I kick out. So I'm doing supersets. I'm doing about 10 to 15 reps per set. And I'm just doubling up. And so now this is me doing the other leg. And I'll actually go ahead and just show you the whole montage of all the sets I did so you can really just see my form. I'm holding on to the bar and this was quite the workout, y'all, but we got through it. I don't really know how long you guys are interested in watching the montages, so in this clip I'll just let it play out and you guys let me know in the comments if you like me more so talking over my workouts or just letting them rock with some music, and we'll go from there. Enjoy it.
Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, that's right.
Okay, this is the next morning. I am doing an upper body today. I'm starting off on the bike just to get my heart rate up, get some cardio going. I typically do this very often, but I don't have anyone to record me. And I was actually at Babe's gym today, so he had the camera just so you can see that I do cardio before I do my weightlifting, at least for 10 to 15 minutes. This day I did the bike for about 10 minutes. Now I'm coming over here and I grabbed 10-pound weights and I'm just doing these arm lifts. I am really trying to work on my back and the bottom of my, like the bat wing area of my arms, that is for some reason lately where I have been gaining a lot of weight. So I'm doing these lifts. I'm doing these, what are these, lat pull downs. Now, this is more of a day that I did back and biceps as well as arms. I'm trying to be more focused on either back or either arms, but because I am starting this new workout, I just gave myself range today. But this did feel good. And I also feel like this helps your arms, but this is also a great workout for your back. You guys, I am just in love with the flowers my boyfriend bought me for my birthday. So there was that little moment for that. But now we are back in the gym. Now, being transparent with you, I did not go to the gym the day before this. So my second leg day for the week did not get done. But life goes on. I just have to move forward. And if I couldn't tell you guys anything else, do not dwell in the past. If you skip a day, just keep going. So now we are at our second upper body day of the week. I'm starting off with these dips on this machine. You guys already know this machine is a full backside workout. My back, my butt, my glutes, hamstrings, it works it all. So I started out with a couple of sets of doing dips. Now I am back with the weight and I'm using these longer dumbbells. I don't know what they're called, but I'm doing 3 sets of about 10 to 15 of this particular workout. And now I'm pretty much just trying to keep my elbows close. And I'm doing these, what are these? They're not pull-ups, but I don't know what the name of this workout is called. However, I just know that my elbows are stuck to my back and I am keeping my back straight. I'm looking forward and scooping the weight up. That's going to really work out my back really nicely. Now, I am just probably standing here reevaluating my life's choices before I go in for my third set. Now this machine really is good for the back. So similar to the lat pull down, these are actually also working your lats, but on more of the side and the back fat. I feel like that upper back fat region. So I particularly have noticed I feel it in my back more when I use lighter weights and more reps. So the like little side chichos, I'm really trying to burn that off. So that was just a quick little insert of that before everyone like was walking by my machine and it was very hard to see me. Now I'm over here and this workout I really enjoy for like the upper shoulders, upper back region. I am standing with my legs at a shoulder length apart. I am using this attachment with the 2 handles and I'm pulling the weight more to my face. This is really helping in that upper region, that defined sculpted upper back is really where I feel this working. And then this is just a different angle. I'm doing the same thing, but toward the back of my shoulders. So instead of pulling it forward to my face, I'm on my knees pulling it downwards. This is also working that same upper area, but it's also, if you'll notice, look at my abs. It's working that middle part of my abs as well. So I think this is a great compound movement if you want to try it in your gym. It looks cool. It feels good. This is me from the back, so you can see it is working out all of my upper back and a little bit of my arms. I just kind of feel like arms and upper body are so easily able to just be in the same day. So here I am back at this machine doing a lat pull down. I'm doing this more intense and I did more sets. And now this is very similar to the workout I was just previously doing, but I love that there is separation so I can work out my left and right side independently. I really liked doing this. You should try it if you have this machine at your gym. Okay, you guys, so here we are on a Friday. This is my last leg focused workout of the week, and this is also the last workout for this video. You guys let me know if you want a dedicated video to what I do on the weekends when I'm more actively resting. But this particular day, I had my period for the first day. I was super bloated. I felt like crap, but I really did just try to go in and do the best I could. So I started with some banded exercises, really just to kind of open up my hips. So these are just a series of some of the banded workouts that I do that will really help open my hips. This was so painful. I really just wasn't in the mood. But I got through it. Okay, so we are back with some RDLs. I also did this in the beginning of the video for the first workout leg day of the week. Now, I am consistently using the same weight, and I'm just going to, once this gets easier, then I will increase my weight. So this is 20 pounds on each side, and I'm just going a lot slower because I really wasn't feeling it today, but I got through it. I'm just trying to stay consistent and just not rush greatness, you know? So if you are bloated or just really not feeling it or really in a funk, just do a little bit. I did about 8 to 10 reps versus the 10 to 15 that I did in the beginning of the week. But I still got it done. So here is another angle. I am bending my knees slightly when I come down, just so I feel it more in my glutes. And that was the RDLs I did for the day. Now we are coming over to this, not machine, but this dynamic workout. So, again, Smith machine was gone, and I was actually at my boyfriend's gym, and that was also gone that day. So I grabbed a 45-pound long dumbbell. I have my padding here, and now I do like doing it here more. I will say I feel it more in my glutes than the padded 12-inch cushion. This feels better to me. I feel it more in my glutes. My ankles are close together. I just tried to do as many as I possibly could, and I did about 3 sets of maybe 8 reps. Now here I am. Oh, hi babe. So now I am using this same exact dumbbell situation. I just kept my pad on because I was tired, and I am doing RDLs. The nice thing about this video is I'm able to show you how to do the same workouts just with different tools in the gym. So that was my week of workouts, and I literally left right after this because I just couldn't take it anymore, and I had some green tea and relaxed. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I'll see you next week.